Namaskar friends, let's start with the construction 11.2. To construct a triangle similar to a given triangle as per given scale factor. We have a question here. Construct a triangle with sides 5 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm. Now we have to construct another triangle but similar to this triangle with scale factor 2/3. So let's start with the rough diagram. So consider our original triangle. Suppose A, B, C is the triangle with dimension 5 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm. And one more triangle we have to construct which is similar to this triangle. So we already learned the similarity in the previous chapters. So scale factor is given 2/3. So here numerator is 2 and denominator is 3. So whenever numerator is less than denominator, then our original triangle is bigger than the new triangle, as in this case. Means the new triangle will smaller. Means suppose this is our new triangle, but when numerator is greater than denominator, then new triangle will be bigger, like this. So always remember this ratio. This shows the denominator shows the size of original triangle, whereas numerator shows the size of the second or similar triangle. Okay, let's start with the construction. Point B, C, so BC is 7 cm. Now AB is of 5 cm. So by taking 5 cm of radius, give an arc from center B. Now AC is 6 cm. So again take the radius of 6 cm and give an arc by taking C as a center. So this is our point A. Join AB and AC. So this is our original or first triangle with scale 5 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm. Now we have to draw one more similar triangle which is similar to this, and the scale factor is given 2/3. So by taking B as a starting point, draw a ray which forms an acute angle with BC, as in construction 11.1. Okay, this is our ray BX which forms an acute angle with BC. Now in the scale factor, the number which is greater, that much number of arc we have to give here. So here 3 is greater, so we have to give 3 arcs. Suppose we have 5/2, then we have to give a 5 arcs. Remember students, as in previous construction, that is 11.1, we have sum total, means suppose 3:4 was there, so what we have done, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, so we have given 7 arcs. But here we don't have to sum total, but instead we have to consider the greater number. So here 3 is greater, so only 3 arcs should be there. By taking appropriate radius, some radius, give 3 arcs. 1, 2, 3. Let's name them B1, B2, B3. Join B3 with C. So this is our original triangle, and the similar triangle has a scale factor 2/3. So we already understand the point that the new triangle, the similar triangle, will be smaller than this. So this is, consider this triangle is of 3 parts, then our similar triangle will be of 2 parts. 2 part means here. So we have to draw the congruent angle of this from B2. By taking some radius, give an arc by taking center B3. With the same radius, give one more arc, but this time we have to take the center B2. Now measure the length of arc in the previous case, and with the same measure intersect the current arc. So we got one point here, join that B2 and extend till BC. So we got here 1 and 2 vertices of the smaller triangle. So this is B only, B is the common, here C is there, so let's name this point as C dash. Now from C dash we have to construct a congruent angle of measurement, this. So again, by taking some radius and C as a center, give the arc, and with the same radius, but this time the center will be C dash. Measure the length of arc, and intersect, even arc which will intersect. So join this point with C dash. Which intersects AB at this point, so this point will be your A dash. Remember student, these two segments and these two segments should be parallel, then your construction is perfect. So here we have constructed triangle ABC, similar triangle A dash B C dash.